When we look into the Sage, when we open the Sage, we can see the chart of accounts. They have their own coding system, or the rule you can say. So in the Sage, they have four-digit code for any particular account. So any accounts we create under the fixed assets, so they would start with the zero digit, and anything with the current asset, say for example, inventories or the cash in hand. So these are the current assets. So they would their account number they would start as from one, and so on. So this is the list as a handy tool. So you can keep that on the side if you're working on the Sage, because it will really helpful to find out if you are working on any of the account. So anything you have with the cost of sales, so you would straight away know that that account would start with five, and so on. So direct expenses are going to start with six, indirect going to start with seven, and so on. So this is the handy tool for you to have in hand in order to practice yourself in Sage. Any account relates to the fixed asset starts with zero, current assets starts with one, liabilities starts with two, equity starts with three, revenue starts with four, and so on. So this is the helpful tool for you, so to keep on the side for you when you work on the Sage.